Oh, flipping out, you're going a bit slow, aren't you? Don't do it. Don't do it. Where's the tyres?
Hey?
Where's the tyres you was on about? Well, not on a shed.
I don't know if they have them so much on trucks or that, but on steam trains, the big wheels have the very outer will come on and off, but not. They have to heat it up to get it off and freeze it to get it on.
Okay, no, that's perfect. I'm going to have no storage.
Oh, right.
There it is. Oh, look at that old coat.
I know. Yeah, it is, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, she's going back.